Hello students, so today we are going to discuss electrostatic potential energy of two charges system, three charges system and n number of charges for n number of charges n charges system. So let us consider a two charges system where the charges q1 and q2 are placed at the position vector r1 and r2 respectively. So the resultant vector will be r2 minus r1, and the formula to calculate the electrostatic potential energy in this case that we have already discussed is U equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by magnitude of R2 minus R1, the resultant vector. So this is the formula to calculate electrostatic potential energy in case of two charges system. If there is three charges system, suppose here are three charges system q1, q2 and q3 positioned at position vector r1, r2 and r3. So the resultant vector between q1 and q2 is r2 minus r1, q3 and q1 is r3 minus r1 and q3 and q2 is r3 minus r2. So let us find out the potential energy in this case. This will be equal to U equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, nothing but the sum of individual potential energy. So potential energy between q1 and q2, this will be equal to q1 q2 divided by magnitude of r2 minus r1. As per the rule of Coulomb's law, we have calculated the potential energy. We have already did this derivation for the potential energy in the previous topics. And similarly, the potential energy between q2 and q3, that will be nothing but 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q2 q3 divided by r3 minus r2. Similarly, we can calculate the potential energy between q3 and q1. This will be nothing but 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q3 q1 divided by r3 minus r1. So the individual sum of the potentials energies is equal to the total potential energy of a three charges system. So suppose this one is, each individual energies can be considered as U1, U2 and U3. So due to three system charges, potential energy is nothing but the sum of individual energies between Q1 Q2, Q2 Q3 and Q3 Q1. So in going in the same way, we can find out the derivation for n charges system. So of n charges system, the electrostatic potential energy will be equal to 1 by 2 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught summation over, suppose another variable j equal to 1 to n summation over k equal to 1 to n, where j is not equal to k, यानी कि j और k दोनों वेरिएबल्स एक दूसरे के इक्वल्स नहीं. दिस विल बी इक्वल टू qj इंटू qk rk minus rj. This will be a complete formula to calculate the electrostatic potential energy for a n charges system.